Suppose one painter can paint the entire house in 12 hours, and the second painter takes 8 hours. How long would it take the two painters together to paint the house? Well, let's find the solution to this problem. So, to solve a work problem, I use a table to organize my information, and that table helps me out, with having not worrying about where I'm going to put this part of information, that other part of information. So I do a table where I put work rate, WR, times time equals WD, which is work done. So this is worker number one, and this is worker number two. Okay, so there's two painters, right? One painter paints a house in 12 hours, so his rate is 1 over 12. Now you're going to say, what's the rate? The rate is house per hour, right? So he paints one house per 12 hours. This is the rate 1. And then rate 2, the other person paints one house per hour. Again, the same thing. Second pair takes 8 hours, so 1 over 8, right? So work rate here is 1 over 8. The time, they work the same time together, T. If two people are working, let's say, painting a house, and they finish in 10 hours, means that they work together 10 hours. So the work done will be T over 12, the multiplication of these two here, and T over 8, right? So now it comes down to an equation where T over 12 plus T over 8 equals 1. What's 1? 1 is one job completed. Okay, so the common denominator between 12 and 8 is 24. So we have 2t over 24 plus 3t over 24 equals 1. Then I have 5t over 24 equals 1. 5t equals 24. And t equals 24 over 5. Okay, which is approximately 4.8 hours. So a little less than 5 hours. Okay, so a little less than 5 hours. That is the solution to the problem. This here is how I would work out a work problem.